Hi students. Hi students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. So let us continue with our English class. So all of you open your book to page number 37. So this is your fourth lesson, The Wonderful Friends. So last video में मैंने इस lesson का half portion complete किया था. Okay. So now we will continue with the next portion. So before that हम short में ये जो हाफ लेसन हमने किया था उसका हम समरी करेंगे. ठीक है. सो दिस is story about a wonderful friend. So this is story about a wonderful friend. So in this lesson there are one couple whose name is Joseph and Catherine Smith. Okay, so these couple were living on the shore of a lake and were very happy to have their farms and livestock. So one night, what happened when they were in deep sleep, they heard a pounding noise on their bedroom's door. So what was that noise? Pounding यानी खटखटाना. Okay, so उन्होंने एक आवाज सुनी डोर खटखटाने की, तो वो उठ जाते. तो कौन सी आवाज सुनी उन्होंने? उन्होंने सुना फायर इन द फॉरेस्ट, फायर इन द फॉरेस्ट. और कौन चिल्ला रहा था ऐसा? उनका बेटा चिल्ला रहा था. सो जोसेफ बाहर आके उसके बेटे को पूछते कि व्हाट हैपेंड. देन द सन टेल्स दैट देयर इज द फायर. सो व्हाट दिस कपल डज, इमीडिएटली वो ड्रेस करते हैं एंड दे जंप्ड इनटू द कार एंड दे ड्राइव्ड इट एंड दे रीच द हाईवे. तो वो हाईवे पे पहुंच जाते हैं, यानी द मेन रोड. सो जब वो मेन रोड पे पहुंचते, देन दे सॉ व्हाट दे सॉ सम फ्यू फायर फाइटर्स एंड सम पीपल फ्रॉम द नेबरहुड ऑलरेडी स्टैंडिंग and peering at the wreckage, which was covered with fire and smoke. So there were a lot of fire and smoke. Okay, so no one knew how the fire broke out. They were saying that the fire was started by a lightning. So some firefighters crew looked. They were fighting over there with the fire, but they were looking little helpless. So they knew that if the fire spread would destroy the people as well as the livestock of the people. So they sent a message for help. Then soon some firefighters arrived with a water tanker and they started spraying water on the ground immediately, because this was the best way to stop the fire from spreading and destroying things. So when the ground is wet, the fire जो होता है वो स्लोली स्प्रेड होता है, यानी आग लगने की चांसेस कम होती है जब जमीन गीली होती है. इस वजह से जो फायर फाइटर्स थे, व्हाट दे डिड, दे wetted the ground. Okay, till here we had finished. Now we will continue with the page number 39. I think so in this also I had done little. So वापस मैं वहाँ से आपको once more I will take class. Okay, so let us start now. St. Joseph House and farm were quite near the mountain. So Joseph House was quite near the mountain. He was most worried about his family and his animal and the crop. So the house was near to mountain. Why? Because near the mountain only the fire had caught. Okay, so he was worried that about his family. He was worried for his family and the animals which lived on the farm and the crops. So he decided to go home and prepare himself to fight the flame. So he decided to go home and prepare himself to fight the flame. This means, so what he says, वहाँ पे खड़े रह के कुछ हो सकता था क्या? नो. सो ही डिसाइड्स कि वो सोचता है कि यहाँ खड़े खड़े तो कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं घर पे जाऊंगा और मैं अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करूंगा कि मैं वो फ्लेम से फाइट कर सकूं. He gathered all the sprinklers and the hoses that he could find in his garage. So what he did, as soon as he went home, he gathered all the sprinklers. You know what is the meaning of sprinklers? You all have seen in your field the sprinklers? Yes. And hoses. Hoses means a water pipe. Hoses means water pipes. Okay, he started gathering all these things and he founded them in the garage. Then he quickly set up a fire pump in the lake. Then what he did, immediately he sets up a fire pump in the lake. So here is the lake. You all can see the lake over here. So what he did, he set up the pump over here. Okay, because he knew that कि जब वो आग बढ़ जाएगा तो नल का पानी ज़्यादा इनफ नहीं पड़ेगा. He needs more water. He knew that water from the tap would not be enough if the fire spread to his house. So उसे पता था कि जो टैप वाटर है वो कम गिर सकता है. It is not enough if the fire spread to his house. Then what he does? His children also help him by quickly soaking down the house and the trees around. So his children also started helping him. What they did, the children, what they did, they started quickly soaking down the house. यानी वो घर को, पेड़ों को, आजू बाजू जो पेड़ पौधे हैं उनके घर को वो गीला किया. Soaking यानी wetting. Okay, soaking means wetting the house. Soon they were all tired. Soon they were all very tired. So they were very tired. The next paragraph. Unfortunately, after a little while, the wind started blowing at a great speed. So अचानक से क्या हो जाता है, जो हवा है वो तेज, वेरी जो विंड था वो ब्लो होने लगा है, तक ग्रेट स्पीड यानी जोर से. व्हाट यू से इन हिंदी, जो हवा की जो स्पीड थी वो अब बढ़ने लगी. ओके, एट द एंड द फायर स्प्रेड, और फायर जो है वो स्प्रेड होने लगा. वाई? बिकॉज इवन यू ऑल हैव सीन, जब आग लगती है आखिर हमने थोड़ा सा उसको हवा दे, देन व्हाट हैपेंस, इट बर्न्स मोर अगेन, वो और तेज हो जाता है. आखिर हवा, फायर को हवा मिलती है, देन इट बिकम्स, इट स्प्रेड्स मोर. ओके, द फ्लेम्स व्हाट आर देयर, इट बिकम्स मोर. Therefore, a fireman came and asked the family to leave. So the fireman came over there and he said, "Those families to leave uh, this place." People in his neighborhood were already leaving their home with whatever they could carry in the car and the wagons. So the people and the neighbors, what they did, अपनी जान बचाने के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया, अभी उनको घर तो छोड़ना था, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, जो ज़रूरत की चीज़ें वो ले सकते हैं घर से, जो कार में या फिर वो बड़े गाड़ियों में वो भर सकते हैं, तो उतनी चीज़ें वो कैरी कर रहे थे. Joseph decided to stay back. So Joseph decided not to go. He said, "I will stay back." He asked his wife and children to leave. He wanted Catherine to take their 3 children to a safe place. So Joseph decided that he will stay back. He said that I will not go from there, but he asked his wife that you should leave from here with the 3 children and go to the safer place. But she refused to go. But his wife was there, Joseph wife, she refused. She says, "No, I will not go. I won't leave you." What she says, "I won't leave you. I will stay here and help you." So she says that I will stay here and I will help you. You need my you need many you need many hands to fight the fire. So she says that by one hand how you can fight, you need many hands to fight the fire. So अकेले फायर से लड़ सकता था वो नहीं. She said, soon a friend who lived quite far away heard the news on radio. He immediately drew to Joseph's home to help him. So as soon as his friend heard about the fire spreaded in the forest, तो वो न्यूज़ जो था वो रेडियो में उसने, जैसे उसका दोस्त ने सुना, कि इमीडिएटली वो उसके फ्रेंड के घर पे यानी जोसेफ के घर पे उसकी मदद के लिए पहुंच जाता है, और इसका फ्रेंड कुछ ही दूरी पर रहता था. ओके, for 1 full hour everyone was running here and there with horses, busy wetting down the house and removing everything that they could catch fire. So आग लग के 1 hour हो गया था. So the people were running here and there. Okay, so here and there with their horses यानी a water pipe. Okay, so they were running to save their self, to save their house. They were running and they were trying to put down the fire. So they were running with the water pipes and they were busy wetting down the house and removing everything that could catch fire. So they were wetting down their house also, and they were trying to remove everything which could catch fire, like that जो आसानी से आग पकड़ सकती है वैसी चीजों को वहां से हटा रहे थे. Because of this, because of this effect of smoke, some coughed badly and other had watery eyes, but they all kept working. So, because of the smoke, okay, there was so much of smoke in the surrounding because of that fire. So, some peoples were getting badly cough. यानी खांसी भी शुरू हो गई थी. क्यों? क्योंकि धुएं की वजह से. एंड सम हैड अ वाटर इन द आईज ऑल्सो. सो धुएं की वजह से कुछ लोगों के आँख जलन सी हो रही थी, तो उनके आईज से वाटर भी हो रहा था, पर वो काम करते जा रहे थे, वो रुके नहीं. बट दे ऑल केप्ट वर्किंग, दे वर ऑल वर्किंग. जोसेफ यंगेस्ट child stood on the top of the house to have a better look at the fire to warn them. So Joseph का छोटा बेटा उसने क्या किया, छत पे जाके खड़ा हो गया. Okay, he went and stood on the top of the house to have a better look at the fire and warn them. And means he thought, if I go and stand on the top of the house, he can see the location of the fire and tell the people, those who are down, if needed. Okay, if needed. As the news spread, जो न्यूज स्प्रेड हुआ, जैसे कि रेडियोज में वगैरह न्यूज स्प्रेड हो रहा था, यानी टेलीकास्ट हो रहा था, यानी वो बता रहे थे कि सो एंड सो फलाने गांव में सो एंड सो आग लगी है, ऐसा बताते हैं ना. वी हैव हर्ड ना, जो यहाँ पे भी न्यूज स्प्रेड हो रहा था. सम मोर फ्रेंड्स अराइव ब्रिंगिंग एक्स्ट्रा पम्प्स एंड होसेस. तो कुछ जैसे न्यूज सुना तो वो जोसेफ के कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे, वो सब जोसेफ की मदद के लिए वहां पे अराइव हो जाते विथ एक्स्ट्रा पम्प्स एंड होसेस. लकीली नो वन पैनिक्ड, और वहां पे लकीली कोई डरा नहीं. Some even used buckets and troughs to carry water. When they saw the fire coming near and near, they started praying hard. तो जैसे उनके जो दोस्त वहां पे आ गए, तो वो लोग बकेट से पानी भर भर के, यानी बकेट भी यूज कर रहे थे. एंड ट्राउट्स का मतलब होता है बेसन, ब्रॉड वेसल यूज्ड फॉर फीडिंग एनिमल. जो एनिमल्स के लिए जो फीड करते हैं, वेसल जो बड़ा वाला, उसे कहते हैं ट्राउट्स. ओके, टू कैरी वाटर, यानी पानी भर भर के डालने के लिए उन्होंने बकेट्स एंड ट्राउट्स भी यूज कर रहे थे. व्हेन दे सॉ द फायर कमिंग नियर एंड नियर, जब उन्होंने देखा कि आग बहुत पास में आ रहा था, दे स्टार्टेड प्रेइंग हार्ड, और वो प्रेयर करने लगे. बहुत हार्डली प्रेयर, यानी वो बहुत दिल से प्रेयर कर रहे थे. ऑल ऑफ सडन द विंड चेंज द डायरेक्शन एंड लेफ्ट जोसेफ हाउस अनटच्ड. सो जैसे वो प्रेयर कर रहे थे, तो सडनली क्या हो जाता है, जो विंड रहता है, जो हवा का जो डायरेक्शन है, वो चेंज हो जाता है. सो बिकॉज व्हेन द विंड डायरेक्शन इज चेंज, द फायर also changed its direction. So it did not touch the Joseph's house. जो आग थी वो जोसेफ के घर तक फैला नहीं, यानी वो अपना रूट चेंज कर लिया. आफ्टर सम टाइम द फायर फाइटर्स वे एबल टू स्टॉप द फायर कंप्लीटली. तो जो फायर फाइटर्स थे, दे वर एबल टू स्टॉप इट, यानी जो फायर फाइटर्स थे वो क्या किए, वो आग को बुझाने में सफल हो गए. सो जोसेफ लुक्ड एट हिज फ्रेंड विथ मॉइस्ट आइज, यानी जोसेफ के आंख में पानी भर के आ गया था. And then he looked up and thanked God for giving him such a wonderful friend. वो अपने दोस्त की तरफ देखता है और ऊपर देखता है, यानी अपवर्ड, ऊपर देखता है, गॉड को थैंक्स करता है, गॉड को थैंक्स बोलते हुए कहता है कि थैंक यू गॉड, आपने मुझे सच वंडरफुल फ्रेंड्स दिए. दे वर द बेस्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग ऑन द अर्थ. वो क्या क्या कहता है कि ये सबसे अच्छे इंसान धरती पर है. Okay, so here ends your story. So एक जो story है, एक moral भी देता है. What is the moral? It says that we should be always helpful to others. Okay, we should be always helpful to others. हमें अपने दोस्तों की मदद करनी चाहिए. So I hope you all enjoyed this story. So please, once you all read this story very carefully. Okay, so children, take care and read this lesson. So I will put dictation and meanings of this lesson. Okay children, take care. Bye.